Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked the velocity of an object during the first 5 seconds of its motion is shown in the graph. As you can see, this along this velocity and along this time until 5 seconds. Okay, so from 0 to 5 seconds, this is the time interval. T del T, we can say 5 seconds. Del T or T, anything you can take. Basically, it denotes the time interval. Okay. So what is the distance traveled by the object in this time? So as you can see, the graph is starting from origin. That means u is equal to 0, right? And we can find out acceleration in two ways. See, this is linear graph in velocity versus time graph. So slope will give us acceleration. Or there is another way by using v is equal to u plus at graph. Sorry, equation. Okay. Now what is v at 5 seconds? Is 20 meter per second. 20, u is 0, a and time is 5 seconds. So we get a is equal to 20 by 5, which is 4 meters per second square. Otherwise, you can also find out the acceleration. How? By finding out the slope. Anything works actually. Now they're wanting us to find out the distance traveled, right? So we can use s equal to ut plus half a t square, since it is accelerating. So we are going to use this formula. Now since u is equal to 0, so this term will become 0. So s is equal to half into a is 4 into t square is 5 square. So this is 2. 5 square means 25. So 50 meters. So option number C is the correct answer. Thank you.